feeling part. So if you haven't rode on a stand-up jet ski, we highly suggest you watch this part. If you have, just skip ahead.
And I'm going to be giving you tips and tricks on the jet ski while I'm out there riding, how to sit down. And Nick, after I show you how to sit down, he is going to be showing you guys how to stand up and tips and tricks like last video.
And if you guys really want to just watch the stand, we hope you watch all of it, but if you really just want to watch the standing up part, we're fine if you just skip to the standing up part. So, yeah, I'll be doing stand up part at the end. I don't know, maybe like a 15-minute video, 10-minute video, so, we're going to try and make it less than 20 minutes. So we're going to use this jet ski, stand up, and, anyway guys, let's get into it.
Alright boys, so we just started the video. Nick's warming up the jet ski here, over there, and I'm going to show you how to sit down. So, I'm going to be talking to you guys while I'm out there, and yeah, I'm just going to wait here at the end of the dock, and wait till Nick is done warming up the jet ski. So I'm going to put it on my head now. We have this strap. Sam, is it strapped on good? Nick, is it on good? Alright, so Nick just got done warming up the jet ski here. Can I start it here? Now I'm going to get on here. Whew, it's ice cold water. Temperature change. It's pretty cold today, guys.
Yeah, guys, this water
like 70 degrees.
Yeah, bro, it feels like it's 60 though. What's that usually? We used to like 75, 80 degree water, so I get used to it.
Woo!
Last weekend up, guys.
Really cold. Yup, Labor Day weekend, guys.
You don't need it, so it's all good.
Alright, so there's the jet ski boys. Gonna get on. So for the first part, just like you see the back of the jet ski here, you can get both your knees right on there. And it's gonna sink a little bit, which is fine. And start her on up. So basically when you sit down, you don't lift any of the thing up. You keep this down the whole time. Turn button, you know, all that. And yeah, basically gear button there on flat lake once again, as you can see. And we're going to start her up. That's pretty much to it. You just stay on, keep your balance, and yeah, let's go, boys. Jumping in the car. So as you can see, we're just turning and around the circle, right around here. Jet ski's a little loud, don't know if you guys can hear, but that's okay. So there's Nick over there, as you can see. And so you basically want to keep turn when you're turning, and stay balanced. Remember, you have to have a boater safety license and be above 14 to legally ride this, which me and Nick both are. It's a little cold out today, like we said earlier in the video. Pretty wavy too, as you can see. So basically, you don't lift any of this up when you're riding, just for a beginner. And I highly suggest that you ride sitting down if you have a stand-up jet ski before you try standing up. And Nick will talk more about that later. And as you're riding, you can kind of increase the speed a little bit, like I will do here. I'll increase the speed and go forward, and go faster. Got some air there. Pretty wavy today. And you can increase the speed, and you can go pretty fast if you get good at riding one of these. And so now, we're gonna take it on in, and we're coming back to Nick. And so make sure to be safe, slow it down, don't hit anybody, and stop it right before. Now Nick's gonna show you how to stand up here. So I hope you guys enjoyed that beginner's tutorial. So that's the beginner's tutorial on stand-up jet skiing. Now Nick's gonna show you some standing up tips.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go on more what Casey said. Just remember to be smart and safe when you're jet skiing, and stay away from people at least 10 feet. And when you're stopping, 10 feet away from a dock. Don't try to be cool and spray people with your jet ski or whatever. And anyway, guys, I'm just gonna show you how to stand up. I'm just gonna kind of have my camera angled down for this, and then I'll angle it back up. So when you start, you know how Casey kind of just made you he just kind of kneeled and went around until you get balanced. So stand up jet skiing's the same thing. So you want to go around for a little bit, and you just want to go until you get your feel for when you want to stand up. Just go a little bit, and then find like somewhere where there's like no waves, and then you want to put one foot up like this. So if you're right-footed, put your left foot up first. If you're left-footed, put your right foot up forward, and then put your right foot, if you're right-footed, behind, like a little bit behind your left to get a balance. Then you can stand up opposite for left. So then you can stand up, kind of have it like that, and then you'll go. So do this, look at my stance for a while. So now, guys, I'm gonna put the camera lens back up so you guys can see me go for a little bit. So stand back up, and the faster you go, the easier is the balance, but don't go too fast. Maybe keep it around 15 miles an hour at first, and then you got the hang of it. And then, so you kind of want to go slower, and you won't get much air on waves. So you do this for a while, turn, and when you turn, you kind of want to lean with the turn. So when you turn, lean the direction you're going to turn. Not too far, but a little bit. So, because if you just turn without leaning, you're going to fall over and you won't be able to turn. So, you want to lean with your turn. Or you'll just drift backwards and it won't be that good. So, most stand-up jet skis, most newer models, even the older ones, they'll come, if you fall off, they'll spin in a circle back to you. But if you feel like you're going to fall, just press the stop button because it's more safe. And then you don't have to chase the jet ski down if it doesn't spin in a circle and come back to you. So I'm going to go for a little bit more. There's Casey. Say hi. Hi, Casey. Guys, just stay away from the docks. Be smart. Okay, guys. So once you get it, you can start doing waves and have some fun with it. So I'm hit some waves. But make sure you're comfortable with the waves you're going over. So guys, the water, like Casey said, I believe he said this, the water's very cold. So, yeah, that's, you just want to make sure you're just being smart and make sure if the water's under 65 degrees, 60 degrees, you don't want to go in it unless you have a wetsuit on. So, when you warm up the jet ski, you want to make sure you warm it up for a while, especially when the water's cold, because it needs to be warmed up or else it could just stop in the middle of nowhere and you'll get lost. So you want to make sure. So yeah, guys, when you're standing up, make sure you be smart. First rule, be smart. Second rule, have fun. And third rule, there's no third rule. Just have fun. Be safe. And yeah, anyway, guys, we hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to like, subscribe. Yeah, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey, Casey, anything you got to say?
So tomorrow, we also have, this is stand-up jet ski, as you guys know. And there are also, And there are also Sea-Doo jet skis, which we have 2 of those. Don't know if you guys saw a quick glance of those in any other videos, but I'm going to be showing you guys tomorrow a tutorial on how to ride those and all the safety on those. So, thanks Nick for showing them how to stand up, and then me for the beginning on the seating. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Peace.